So I was going through this multiplayer augmented reality Udemy course, and I've came into this problem where my UI button was not working, and I wanted to share it with you guys to how we can debug or we can find out why sometimes our UI button is not working. For example, in this project, these buttons were supposed to switch these players, rotate. When I click the next or previous, it would rotate this one, but this one's not quite working. While you can see, I can click this and this button. So first problem usually in this kind of situation here is that these are my previous and next button. Make sure you go to that game object and then see if there's button object or not. I went to both of the game object and there's this button in the inspector, so I'm good with that. I have already added the listener on click button. The method was correct, everything was good. So what I did was I went to event system. While you're in the play mode, go to event system. There will be a small pop-up window called event system, and it'll give you some information about the raycast. And you can see when I hover around my pointer, say towards this player selection, you can look at this pointer enter. It will give you the information of that game object. So right now my pointer is touching the title player selection. So in this button, it is touching the battle button, here reselect button. So whenever I go to this button, I can click, but the pointer is actually clicking at the bottom bar. So if you look at pointer enter, when I hover around here, it's pointing towards bottom bar, and it's not even showing me the previous or next button. So now I know that this button is being hidden by the bottom bar layer, so it is behind the bottom bar layer. So what I did was, here I have one bottom bar here closed and another bottom bar here. Close this for a while, and then if you go to event system again, now you can see it's pointing towards next button. Here it's previous button, and when you click it, it's working now, right? So you can go back, you can see, so this was actually expanded up towards this button as well. So if I bring it back down, and even this down a little bit, maybe like this, sorry, I don't even need that. So down, and if I hit a play button, now those UI buttons should be working perfectly, right? Cool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.